Hi, I'm Jordan, Senior Project Manager at Canopy. Today, I want to talk about something crucial for making websites accessible and inclusive, keyboard navigation, particularly tabbing. Imagine navigating the web without a mouse, relying solely on your keyboard. For many users, especially those with motor disabilities or visual impairments, this is their daily reality. That's why ensuring your website supports keyboard navigation, specifically through the tab key, is not just good practice, it's essential. When tabbing is properly implemented, users can smoothly navigate through links, buttons, forms, and interactive elements. According to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, websites must provide clear and logical tabbing order to ensure accessibility. WCAG compliance isn't just about meeting standards, it's about creating inclusive experiences for everyone. Proper tabbing ensures your content reaches the widest possible audience. For example, in this website, I am currently using the tab key to navigate through different elements of the website, such as these upper links here. And here I'm the main menu of this website. If I tab on the forward down caret button and press enter, it expands the menu, therefore allowing me to navigate the menu items as someone who is unable to, who is not using the mouse currently. So let's commit to better accessibility. Let's ensure our websites are navigable for everyone, everywhere, because an accessible web is a better web for all of us.